The early bird catches the worm, but the night owl has more fun. I'm Crystal Cruz. You're watching Top Ring Videos.
Who wants to have a staring contest? Y'all night owls ready in 3, 2, 1.
So one morning I'm just walking out to take out the trash. Thought for a second that maybe it was one of those snaggletooth murder pythons, about 10, 20 feet long. And I quickly realized it was just a harmless black racer that we like to have around here. Holy crap.
What do all these strangers in the night, trying to avoid the floodlight, have in common?
Hey, get out of my driveway now.
They all know how to do the running man.
Now to some breaking trash can news. A missing bin has been found.
I saw the recycling truck recycling my recycling bin.
And in Florida, a man was taken out by a trash can.
It was just so funny watching him dive right into it and then pop out and sort of like have a surprised look on his face. It was hysterical.
Got a Top Ring video that's a hoot? Share with us at stories@ring.com.